Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are standing in front of the new 2025 Toyota Tundra. And don't forget, if you want our latest Toyota truck news and our best Tundra deals, hit that subscribe button. This powerhouse is back again for a new model year in gas and hybrid. The hybrid is still getting more horsepower and torque than the gas model, but it's also got an amazing new multifunction massaging seat option. This truck comes in 10 models this year. You're going to get 5 hybrid and 5 gas to choose from, and it has a starting MSRP of $40,090. Let's take a walk around the exterior so you can get a feel for everything this truck has to offer. The exterior of the 2025 Tundra is not that different from the previous model year. You've still got an overall rugged look, and if you opt for a model like the TRD Pro here, you're going to get aggressive off-roading features. So this model has a front skid plate. You're going to get the technical camo accents, a TRD Pro LED light bar. You're also going to get red exterior accents on the badging, the wheels, the suspension, and you're going to get a red interior. The 2025 Tundra comes in 11 different paint colors. You have got so many options on this truck. You're going to get multiple alloy wheel options with different designs, colors, sizes. You've got really crisp LED lighting all over the exterior, and you even get multiple grille options to choose from, so it's very simple to customize it to your liking. Now, if you're a shorty like my buddy here, some models come with power running boards and features like this bed step that make getting in and out of the truck super easy. Now, if you want options when it comes to bed size, the Tundra is the right truck for you. It has beds that range from 5.5 feet to just over 8 feet. You're going to get an aluminum reinforced composite bed that has features like tie-down cleats and an AC power outlet, perfect for camping. Some models even have a power tailgate release switch that opens the truck and makes it very easy to access the bed. Let's take a walk back to the front so we can check out the interior. So the first thing you notice when you climb inside the 2025 Toyota Tundra is the space. It is huge in here. There is so much room. You can easily seat 5 inside the cabin with plenty of leg room. I'm 5'8" and I can stretch out all the way, no problem. You're gonna get a lot of different trim options on this truck. So you're gonna have fabric, Softex, leather, semi-aniline leather in multiple colors up for grabs. You can also opt for heated and ventilated seats as well as dual zone automatic climate control. So no matter where you sit inside this cabin, you're going to be comfortable. So right here, you have a 12.3-inch digital meter with customizable display screens to get all of your information. Some models also have a 10-inch color head-up display. Now that projects important information right onto your windshield so you can get it while you're driving and keep your eyes on the road. You can also get features like a digital rear view mirror, which is awesome, as well as a panoramic view monitor. Now, this gives you a 360-degree overhead view of your truck, so you can check your surroundings easily. Moving to the back seat, you've got rear seat vents, and you've also got sunshades on the windows to keep things very cool and comfortable in the back seat. Super important in Florida in the summer. Some models have a panoramic glass moonroof that goes from front to back, lets tons of sunlight in. And then for added convenience, you're also going to have a power rear window that rolls all the way down if you need to make a little extra cargo space inside your cabin, maybe for like fishing gear. So we mentioned this, but a new feature for 2025 is multifunction massaging front seats. So I am literally getting a back massage while I'm filming this video. The controls are right here, and you can get basically a full body massage while you're driving. All right, let's take it for a spin so we can see how it drives. So we are driving the 1794 edition 2025 Toyota Tundra today. First thing I notice as soon as I start going is how quiet it is inside the cabin. This is the iForce Max Hybrid, so you're not going to get a lot of engine noise inside the cabin. It makes it super nice, especially on the highway. You've also got really responsive steering in this truck. And that's important when you're driving a huge vehicle. So whether you're in a parking lot or you're out on an off-road trail, it's very easy to steer. Now you have coil spring rear suspension, which means it's very comfortable inside the cabin, front seats and rear seats. And to cap it off, like I said, this is the hybrid, the iForce Max. You've got a ton of torque at your fingertips. So you feel the acceleration as soon as you hit the pedal, and it's pretty quick to get up to speed. All right, now that we've taken her for a spin, let's talk about the bread and butter of this truck, its performance. So this is a 1794 edition, which is a hybrid. This is an iForce Max 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain. That means you're going to get up to 437 horsepower and 583 pounds per foot of torque. Now, if you don't want the hybrid and you want a gas, no problem. There are 2 different twin-turbo gas models available in the 2025 Toyota Tundra, but just keep in mind that the hybrid powertrain does offer significantly more horsepower and torque. You're also going to get features like 4-wheel drive, obviously, tow haul mode, because this truck can pull up to 12,000 pounds behind it, and it has a max payload capacity of just over 1,900 pounds. Let's talk about ground clearance. You're going to get up to 9.4 inches of ground clearance in the 2025 Tundra, which is perfect for those uneven, rocky off-road trails. All right, so we're back inside. Let's talk about tech and safety. You're going to get the best of the best because this is a Toyota. Right here, we have this beautiful multimedia system. You're going to have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You want to charge your phone, you've got convenient Qi wireless charging right here, no cords necessary. And in some models, you can also get a premium 12-speaker JBL audio system if you really want to take those tunes out on the trails. You're also going to get incredible safety technology, just like any other Toyota. Tundra has Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which means you get features like a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, and dynamic radar cruise control. You'll have things like front and rear parking assist and hill start assist control right at your fingertips. On top of that, you've got Toyota Star Safety System, 8 airbags throughout the cabin, and you even have the latch system in the back seat for car seats and boosters. Now that you know everything about the 2025 Toyota Tundra, which model are you putting in the driveway? Leave your pick in the comments below, and if you're ready to go, start your shopping process online. You can use our online shopper tool to start building your deal and customize your monthly payments today. If you're ready to roll, stop by Toyota of Orlando. You can call us at 407-298-4500 or stop by and see us. We're at 3575 Vineland Road, just off I-4 near the mall at Millennia.